Hello everyone, I'm Omkar from India. We have a chessboard in front of us and we see that a move has been played. Now we can have a naming convention for this move. We can say that the move is e2, e4 and so on. Like if we make this move, then the move is e7, e5. This move is g1, f3 and so on. Now my project can be thought of as a function that takes two images as input and it outputs the move that has been played. So if this was the move, it takes the before image and the after image and it outputs e2, e4. Now let's take a look at my function.
Now, I have arranged the windows such that on the left-hand side, we have Windows Explorer showing a few folders. Each of these folders contains two images. Both of these images together will represent a single move. So this is the image of the board before the move, and this is the image of the board after the move. And similarly, we have other images in each of these folders. I will be running sample 1, 2, and 3. Now this, coming to the code part of the project, this is the main code for my project. There are helper functions that I've defined above the code, but we'll focus on this part right now. And let's run the sample 1. Since we are playing as white in sample 1, we'll say sample 1 and play as white. Now, if we look at these images in sample 1, we see that it is E2 and E4 where the movement has occurred. Let's run these. Run, and run. So yeah, I did get E4 and E2. Now notice that we did not get the right order of movement. It isn't E2, E4. It should have been E2, E4, but it is just saying E4, E2. So it's actually just giving a collection of two movement squares. It isn't really giving the direction. So that is something that I would include as a future scope for my project. For now, I will just go ahead and run a few other samples. And I'm playing as white. Just run. Yes, D4, D2 is where the movement has occurred. And this one is interesting since it's black and the movement, it's very noisy, but the movement is at G4, F4. So that's where the movement has occurred. The queen is going from this position to this position, G4, F4. Let's just try and do sample 3. And since it's we are playing as black, I'll do 0 and let's run this. Yeah, G4, F4 is the output. That's my project. Thanks a lot.